Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Gamesir X4 with your Gamesir G8 and what are the main differences between these two. So the first thing, the most important thing is that X4 is wireless while the G8 is not wireless. Now there is a possible con of Bluetooth. Many people said that, that when it's connected directly that it's good, but it can damage the charging, so that's like another thing. With the X4, a really important thing is that you can just like put it somewhere on, let's say you're traveling and you can have a seat in front of you, you would put your phone there and then you could just like play with the Gamesir X4. So that's pretty good. That's something that I like. Also, when we look here on the design on both, we can see they look both good. Now I saw that X4 was reported as better, like ergonomics, better feeling by many people, but now really depends on based on your preference, which one you like intuitively more. So what I encourage you to do is to listen to your intuition, what is telling you if you should buy the Gamesir X4 or the G8, and you're not going to make a mistake with both. It really depends if you're looking for wireless or the wired one. So have a great day guys, and goodbye.